Earth 300 proposes the building of an atomic superyacht on a mission to save the world from climate change. With a Gibraltarian at the helm, the rock features in the vision to create an extreme technology platform for science, innovation and exploration at sea.
We are going to be working on 3 different items, so the idea is to explore 3 different items. Number 1, we're looking at the home porting of the vessel once it's developed and ready to be deployed. The second one is to look at setting up in Gibraltar a centre of scientific excellence where we use Gibraltar as a living lab. You know, Gibraltar has the oceans, it has the upper rock, there's a lot of flora and fauna that can be explored here. And then finally, we're looking at to see how we can capitalize, or how we can get Gibraltar to capitalize on the $1.5 trillion blue economy.
The Memorandum of Understanding between Earth 300 and the Minister for the Environment, Sustainability and Climate Change anchors the nascent project in home waters.
Well, the memorandum is a starting point, not a destination. It's really the partnership between Earth 300 and the Ministry of Environment and Culture and Climate Change, and essentially it's a platform for us to explore the different possible synergies that we have with the government of Gibraltar and Earth 300.
The MoU is for 1 year and comes at no cost to the government.
Well, as we all know, the world is in an environmental crisis, and any initiative such as this one, which looks at new technologies, new ways of doing things, more sustainable ways, and particularly is interested in protecting and improving the state of our oceans, is something that has to be supported, and this is why we are signing this today. It's not a question of necessarily spending more money, but of doing things differently, and certainly my green agenda is as bright green as it's always been.
I think Gibraltar is one of the most incredible places on the planet. It's really refreshing to come back here, especially now that it's got a detachment from Europe, and I know we're looking forward to the Schengen, but being independent from Europe, I think it's really a perfect place to be able to create a global innovation hub for forward-thinking scientists, you know, with favorable regulations and open policies. I think it really has the perfect ingredients for Gibraltar to become a global player in the science and innovation scene.
The Ministry for the Environment says its support for Earth 300 means it can draw on their expertise and passion for the fusion of environmental science and marine technology to save the planet from the scourge of climate change.